All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip network, 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're going to be talking about crypto.com, CRO. But on the coin market cap, they actually changed their crypto.com thing to Cronos. So we're talking about Cronos or CRO or crypto.com, all kinds of good stuff. Check out their website, price prediction, what's going on with crypto.com or Cronos or CRO. And then also we're going to go, there's an overwhelming support for Grayscale fund to get their Bitcoin thing going for investment funds. They want it to be pushed as Grayscale. Don't forget AMP token from earlier today is on the Grayscale fund. So we're going to talk about this Grayscale fund trying to get pushed so it can actually be offered and everybody into the Grayscale DeFi fund. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Cronos. CRO. So over here at CoinMarketCap, normally it would say crypto.com right here, but it actually says Cronos, and it's CRO, so we know it's CRO, number 17. They're up 1% in the last 24 hours, down about 4% for the week. Clicking it, and over here, Cronos. Again, 41 cents, almost 42 cents. We'll do a price prediction when we come back. It says right here at the top, crypto.com has been rebranded to Cronos. Read more. CRO is now Cronos, formerly known as crypto.com. CRO rebranded reflects the decentralization of the coin and the tremendous growth of the Cronos ecosystem. Cronos is jumping off the table here. Crypto.org today announced that Crypto.org coin, CRO, the utility token of Crypto.org chain, the Cronos EVM chain, has been rebranded to Cronos. CRO. The new name properly reflects the decentralized nature of CRO and recognizes the explosive growth of the Cronos ecosystem. The Cronos ecosystem represents the next major phase in adoption, utilization of Web3 by hundreds of millions of users. Since November 2021, Cronos is the EVA-compatible chain designed to support the creative economy of the applications such as DeFi and GameFi. It's the infrastructure for the metaverse. Cronos delivers to dramatic, faster, cheaper transactions than the Ethereum mainnet. Everybody's always up against the Ethereum. Built on Ethereum Mint, which is based on Cronos, on Cosmos SDK. Cronos supports the rapid supporting dApps, the smart contracts from Ethereum, and the EVM-compatible chains, and well with Cronos ecosystem. In 3 months since going live, Cronos has seen explosive growth. The user's adoption has surpassed the expectation with more than 350,000 unique wallet address performing the transaction on Cronos. Cronos ecosystem, take a look at this. This thing is big. I mean, you got Cronos NFTs over here, a lot of them. You got NFT Marketplace, you got decentralized exchanges. You got VVS Finance there, Swamp, Cronos World, Cronos Swap, just to name a few. Launch pads, you got your launch pads, MM Finance is there. You know, there's just a lot. Community tokens, look at all the community tokens, yield options. Yeah, there are a lot of good things going on with the crypto.com, Cronos. All right, so the rebranding of crypto.com is now called Cronos, CRO. I'm going to have to check into the crypto.com arena. I don't think that's going to be the Cronos arena. I think it's still going to be crypto.com arena. We'll check that out. All right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about that cryptocurrency. Passive income with crypto. That's why we talk about the Drip Network. Get 1% back every single day of your initial investment, 365%. All right, what is going on here? Overwhelming support on the Grayscale. Let's go check this out. Right here on Cointelegraph, overwhelming support for Grayscale BTC Trust ETF proposal. Investors are in a thought, so why should the SEC should approve the conversion of the Grayscale BTC Trust into spot EFT? So this is kind of good. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has allowed comments and feedbacks on proposal rules changed that would convert the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust to a spot-based exchange trade EFT. So this is kind of big, everybody. A notice of filing the proposal rules change in a list of trade shares. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Now we just talked about AM token. AM token is on this Grayscale here. It's one of the investment products you can do. They're talking about the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which is still on there. Bloomberg senior EFT analyst Eric had to look through some of the most recent comments on February's observation that 95% are in favor of the proposed conversion. 95%. Several responded to the SE proposal, argued that the regulators had already approved the future-based exchange trade product, so the spot-based product should logically come next. The U.S. risks falling behind the countries such as Canada, which have already approved investment products that they're adding. So United States is trying to catch up here. A spot-based fund would be physically backed by the assets itself, opposed by backing the future contract from the Chicago company, which exchanges existing Bitcoin EFT operations. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has been trading at a massive discount in recent months as investors speculate to hedge against EFTs being approved by the SEC. At the time of writing, the fund was trading at around a discount of 24.75. All right, so here we go. Overwhelming support for Grayscale BTC Trust EFT proposal. So this is just a day or two old news, everybody. All right. So Grayscale, we're trying to get that pushed through and everything. Crypto.com, Cronos, CRO. It's still CRO when you look it up. Let's go ahead and go back over to their website and check everything out. So when you check out the website, it's still crypto.com. Fortune favors the brave. The world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million users buying and selling 250 cryptocurrencies at true cost. Send your crypto, a Visa card, get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolios and receive 14.5% on your crypto assets. Buy crypto at true cost, everybody. The only card you will need. You can earn 8% back on all the spending with your sleek, pure card. No annual fees. Top off with fiat currency today. Choose your card. And it says only card you will need. There's no annual fees. And then here comes the nice array of all the different cards you can choose from. Fantastic, everybody. So Crypto.com is still called Crypto.com. Just on CoinMarketCap, it's listed as Cronos, CRO. So they're keeping the Crypto.com name for the actual cards and the website. DeFi made simple. DeFi wallets. DeFi earn. DeFi swap. Cryptocurrency in every wallet. Compliments of Crypto.com or Cronos. All right, over here at Cronos.com, CRO, what's our price prediction? So let's take a look at this 41 cents here real quick. If we go back 3 months ago, the coin was actually at 65 cents. The coin was at 73 cents. Coin was at 73 cents. My price prediction that this could get it back to 45 cents, back to 46 cents. All our information is for educational purposes only. The rebranding of Cronos opposed to Crypto.com may take a little time for everybody to get used to that, but take a look at number 17. It's called Cronos now. CRO is still the ticker here. How about if we rename everything else? Rename Bitcoin to something else. No, I'm just kidding. Polygon right there, number 16. How is the Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is actually at 39,000 and Ethereum's at almost 28,000. All right, everybody. Cronos, CRO, lots of things going on with them. Price prediction, all the information for educational purposes only. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Don't forget to click right here to see Drip Network 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.